Jesus Soares, C-Shift Division Chief. On April 26, 2025, Firefighter Soares was in the back of his house when he observed a tragic boating accident.
Hi, my name is Demian Soares. I'm a firefighter paramedic, City of Miami Beach. The incident happened behind the place where I live at. A boat ended up losing control and capsizing, so I just immediately ran down and grabbed a mask and a snorkel and one of the kayaks that was there. I went down as many times as I could to try to help. The gentleman that was in the air pocket was fighting me. He would not let me pull him out. And eventually, toward the end, maybe 10 minutes into it, I was able to go down again there was zero visibility, and I was able to feel what I think was the child, and I kept just pushing him toward the opposite side of the boat where the other gentleman was able to grab him and pull him out. I'm assuming he had to have been in an air pocket because a lot of time had gone by. I was expecting worst case scenario and ended up being best case scenarios.
His actions that day definitely remind us of what we do on a day-to-day basis. As a department, we're very thankful for what he was able to accomplish on that day.
I'm proud to work alongside the men and women that I work with at the department. Wish they were there that day. I could have used some help. I'm just very grateful and appreciative that I'm being recognized for this award.